With the threat of intense rainfall looming large, Odisha Chief Minister Mohan Charan Majhi has taken proactive steps to ensure the state is fully prepared for any possible flooding. In a crucial meeting held with collectors from 17 districts, the Chief Minister reviewed ground-level readiness and urged officials to be on high alert. He stressed the importance of activating 24/7 control rooms at both district and block levels, ensuring rapid response mechanisms are in place. While visiting Jharsuguda, CM Majhi directed engineers and field staff to monitor vulnerable points, especially weak embankments and drainage systems, and to stay equipped with manpower and machines to tackle emergencies swiftly. Recognizing the risk of waterlogging and landslides, especially in hilly regions, he instructed local authorities to make advance arrangements. Emergency units, including ODRAF and fire services, have been mobilized and kept on standby across key locations. Top officials, ministers and disaster response teams have been brought into coordination mode with essential supplies pre-positioned in high-risk areas. Odisha government clearly sends a message. It is prepared, alert and ready to respond with speed and efficiency to protect its people from any extreme weather condition.
किछि जगार केनाल रे एवं नदी मानकरे मध्य घाई हेबार संभावना थाए जोटी दुर्बल से हिड़ अछि ताहा उपरे किभଳି भाबरे नजर रखिबे सेथि पई मध्य तांकु स्वतंत्र भाबरे ये दायित्व प्रदान करा जायछि। खाद्य सामग्री ये कथा को मध्य विभिन्न स्तर रखा जायछि। पुलिस अलर्टमेंट करा जिबार व्यवस्था होछि। फायर तरफरु मध्य जो ओड्राफ टीम एवं एनडीआरएफ टीम जो माने अछंती समान को विभिन्न स्थान रे स्थानित करा जायछि। छोट हो बा बड़ हो जे कोनसी साइक्लोन आसीबो संपूर्ण भाबरे हमर टीम को हमर समस्त व्यवस्था को आमे अनुकूल करिकरी आमे ताकू रेडी एवं आमे ताकू सम्मुखीन हवा पई आमे समस्त प्रस्तुत करि सारिछु।